October holiday, right? We're here in Xuebu, which is my girlfriend's hometown. This is where she grew up. We're gonna go out to Laofu Shaogongji. So they make these great chicken broth soups. They butcher it live, so it's very fresh. And you know, these chicken are definitely free range, or at least I think so. So we're gonna go in there, have some good food. We're also gonna drive around a little bit, just take in the sights. It's definitely, the air is definitely much better than Shanghai. The environment is much nicer, so we're gonna take Poirot here for a little walk. We're gonna go for a little walk, right, boy? Yeah, yeah. We're now on the way to Yangzhou for a folk music festival. It's October holidays, so people usually traveling Southeast Asia and Europe. We decided to stay a little bit closer to Shanghai, so this is about 2 hours away from Shanghai. We got some tickets for some friends. It's outdoors, so we get to take the dog along. Mr. Paro, say hi, right? So hopefully he gets to run around and we get to just relax a little bit. It's not too far. We're gonna stay in Yangzhou tonight. It's known for their fried rice. Actually, Yangchow Fried Rice. I had that quite often back home in Canada. So I think it should be definitely very good and authentic. It should be a good time. We'll show you guys what it's all about, what the festival's all about, and what sort of things we get up to in Yangzhou. So we've arrived in Yangzhou after the festival, and we looked up a restaurant that was known for the Yangchow Fried Rice, but the line unfortunately was an hour and a half wait. So while we're waiting, we're grabbing an appetizer at a Thai restaurant right beside it. But I'm really looking forward to it. If anything, even if we just get the fried rice, I gotta see what it's like, and hopefully it's good. Alright, so we're actually going to another place because this place, the last time we checked, we were the 77th person in line, and I don't think we'll make it. So we'll go to another restaurant to get the fried rice. We had already had a bit of a meal at the Thai restaurant, but I'm very eager to try some masalas. Like no matter what, tonight we got to get the fried rice. So let's go take a look. We finally had the fried rice. Definitely a little bit different than what we had back home. It's actually, I think they added a lot more ingredients to it. So there's a lot of different types of mushrooms that really add a lot more umami flavor. But it's definitely not like the fake stuff from MSG that I think they definitely add to the fried rice back in Canada. So overall, it doesn't taste different, right? It doesn't taste as savory, but at the same time, there's a lot of, the flavor's a little bit more delicate. It's more than just a fried rice. I think it definitely is very cultural. It is something that you can't get in anywhere else, and it's quite authentic in that way. So, you know, it's definitely different than what I expected, but it was still a good experience. We're on the way back to Shanghai from Yangzhou. On the way, we wanted to visit the hot springs, but because time was short, we decided to skip that and go eat some hairy crab near Yangcheng Pool, which is a lake known for hairy crab. It's in season right now, so I'm really looking forward to it. I'll definitely show you guys what it's like.